Today we're taking a look at a new electric bike called the Ridel ORA, a simple and minimalistic e-bike that's also small and lightweight. The ORA has an advertised range of 38 miles, a max speed of 20 miles per hour, and a quick swap battery built right into the frame. The ORA is priced at $1,500 and is available from ridelbikes.com. But we also have a coupon code that will save you $50 if you use the code TechWeWant50 at checkout. The ORA is one of the 5 different e-bikes designed from Ridel, and also the most unique design with a frame that's made of magnesium, which is lightweight and sturdy. The bike comes in at 46 pounds, which makes it easy to carry up a flight of stairs if needed. The handlebar stem also folds down to make it even more compact. The wheels of the ORA are 20-inch, which is smaller than regular bike tires. First, let's see what comes in the box. The bike is packaged partially assembled in the box and also includes the charger, tools for assembly, both pedals, and the user manual. For setup, there's a few components that need to be installed on the bike. The front wheel needs to be put on, and the top handlebar as well. You also need to install the fenders and the front headlight. Ridel has a detailed video walkthrough of the setup as well. Taking a look at the specs of the ORA, it features a 250-watt rear hub motor, which can be used either with throttle only or with pedal assist with 5 different modes. The bike also features a 7-speed manual Shimano gears with a shifter on the right handlebar. On the left side, you'll find the display, which allows you to turn on the bike and cycle through the pedal assist modes. Putting the bike in mode 0 is throttle only, while mode 1 through 5 is pedal assist only. We really like the display on the ORA since it's simple, easy to read, and operate compared to other e-bikes we've tested. When riding the ORA, the acceleration is steady and smooth when you start, making it pleasant to ride at low speeds below 12 miles per hour. However, the ORA is not designed to go fast given the size of the wheels and motor. We had a hard time to go beyond 12 to 14 miles per hour. To go faster, on pedal assist mode 4 or 5, you need to loosely pedal. It feels more like a trick to keep the engine going rather than a natural motion. We found ourselves mostly riding in mode 2 or 3 pedal assist and at the highest 7 manual gear. The lower manual gears were never used, though they may be useful for a really steep slope. However, if you keep the bike in throttle only mode, you can easily get up to 20 miles per hour top speed and still pedal off the line. Looking at the battery, it's a 260 watt-hour, 36-volt battery that's housed in the top of the frame. You can easily open the latch and take off the cover, and use the key to unlock the battery and pull it right out. This is one of the easier battery mechanisms we've tested on an e-bike, and we also like the small size of the battery. Ridel plans on selling additional batteries on their site that will be about $200 to $250 each. We did a range test to see how it stacks up compared to the advertised 38-mile range. On our ride, we rode a bike path with a 170-pound rider, riding mainly in pedal assist mode 2 or 3 and the highest manual gear. At the end of the ride, we had covered a total distance of 22 miles and had 1 bar left in the battery at the end, which had 2 or 3 miles left of range. While this isn't close to the advertised range of 38 miles, most vendors advertise the range based on best-case scenarios and when riding more slowly. For suspension, the bike features a small rear shock that's built into the frame. While it does absorb some bumps in the road, the bike does not have a front suspension, so you will still feel some of the large bumps and cracks on the road. Getting to the lights, the ORA features a front headlight that you can turn on using the button on the display. On the back, it has a reflector on the fender and also includes a battery-powered light underneath the seat. The ORA also features an LED ring that's built into the frame. Not only does this make the bike look cool at night, it also helps make you more visible to cars on the road. Overall, we think the ORA is a good choice of e-bike if you're looking for something that's simple and has a clean design. We enjoy being able to ride in throttle-only mode most of the time, so you can pedal in the beginning and keep coasting for a long time. We really like the LED light, as well as the quick swap battery in the frame. The bike is also entirely rainproof, so if you get caught in the rain, it won't damage the bike. Also, don't forget to always wear a helmet while riding, and if you're looking for a helmet, we recommend checking out 1000 Helmets. They have sleek designs that aren't bulky, and their new Chapter helmet has a built-in magnetic light that snaps on the back to keep you visible at night. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to check out more of our reviews on other electric bikes and motorcycles.